Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to unmute a Facebook page's story on PC using the latest update. If you've muted a page's story in the past but now want to start viewing it again, don't worry, it's simple to fix. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Facebook. First, open Facebook in your web browser and log into your account. Go to the homepage where you can see your feed and stories. Step 2. Click on your profile photo at the top right corner. Next, look at the top right of the page and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Step 3. Enter your profile. Click on your name or profile to go to your personal Facebook page. Step 4. Click on the 3 dots. Choose Story Archive. On your profile page, look for the 3 dots next to your name. Click on those dots and then select Story Archive from the options provided. Step 5. Click Settings, then Stories You've Muted. Once you're in the Story Archive, you'll see a gear icon or Settings option. Click on it, then choose Stories You've Muted. This section shows all the pages and profiles whose stories you've muted. Step 6. Find the page and click Unmute. Scroll through the muted list to find the page whose story you want to unmute. Once you find it, click the Unmute button next to that page. And there you go. You've now successfully unmuted a Facebook page's story on PC. From now on, you'll start seeing their stories appear in your feed again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your social media.